Have you experienced iPhone water damage? Did you drop your iPhone in the toilet or swimming pool or wherever? And you've tried everything in the book, everything that you found online to revive it from its water damage, and nothing seemed to work. You've tried the bag of rice trick, the silica bags, the hair dryer, the low temperature in the oven, and even after a few weeks you can't get it on. Well, I'm gonna show you a technique with which you can instantly revive your iPhone from water damage. But what this procedure does, it extracts all the water that was left in the iPhone, which couldn't get out with all the other tricks you've tried, and it really makes your iPhone dry. And when it doesn't work at first hand, you just have to let it heat up a bit more, and afterwards you can just stick it in the outlet with your iPhone adapter, and it will work again. It's 100% foolproof that it will work. You can just try it on your iPhone.